Most people get this completely wrong when choosing a digital wallet in Portugal. They think all apps are basically the same. Just install one, link a card, and start paying. But here's the truth no one tells you. The wrong digital wallet can quietly drain your money through hidden conversion fees, poor cashback systems, and weak security settings. And in 2026, in a country like Portugal where contactless payments are everywhere, your choice of wallet actually affects how much you save every single month. So today, you are going to learn the 10 best digital wallets in Portugal. Not just names, but real-world use cases, hidden advantages, and the mistakes people make with each one. And stay with me, because in a minute, I will show you how some people lose money every time they tap their phone, without even realizing it. Let's start simple. A digital wallet is basically your phone replacing your physical wallet. Instead of carrying cash or cards, you store payment methods inside apps. Then you pay by tapping your phone, scanning a QR code, or sending money instantly. Now, let's go into the best options in Portugal for 2026. First is MBWay. If you live in Portugal, MBWay is not optional. It is essential. This is the most widely used digital payment system in the country. Almost every bank in Portugal supports it. Now here's where it gets interesting. With MBWay you can send money instantly using just a phone number. You can pay in stores, withdraw cash without a card, and even split bills with friends in seconds. Imagine João in Lisbon going out for dinner with friends. Instead of calculating cash or asking for IBAN transfers later, he just sends his share instantly through MBWay. But here's the problem. Many tourists or new users do not realize that MBWay is deeply tied to Portuguese bank accounts. So it is not ideal if you do not have a local bank setup. Next is Revolut. Revolut is one of the most powerful digital wallets used in Portugal, especially by expats, freelancers, and travelers. Here is why people love it. Revolut gives you multi-currency accounts. That means you can hold euros, dollars, pounds, and more in one place. Now imagine Alex, a freelancer, living in Porto. He gets paid in dollars from us clients. Instead of losing money in bank conversion fees, he holds dollars in Revolut and converts them only when rates are favorable. That small timing difference can save real money every month. Revolut also offers instant spending notifications, budgeting tools, and cashback on selected plans. But here's the catch. Free plans are limited. If you upgrade without understanding the fees, you might end up paying more than you save. So always match the plan with your usage. Next is Wise. Wise is all about transparency. Now here's where things get interesting. Most banks hide their fees inside exchange rates. Wise shows you everything up front. You see the real exchange rate and the exact fee before you send money. For people in Portugal receiving international payments or sending money abroad, Wise is extremely powerful. Take Sofia in Coimbra. She works as a designer for clients in Germany and Brazil. Instead of paying high bank fees, she uses Wise to receive payments directly in multiple currencies. The big advantage is clarity. You always know what you are paying. But Wise is not designed for rewards or daily cashback. It is a transfer-focused tool, not a lifestyle wallet. Next is PayPal. PayPal is still one of the most widely accepted digital wallets in Portugal, especially for online shopping. Now here's what most people miss. PayPal adds a strong layer of protection. When you pay online, your card details are never shared with sellers. That reduces fraud risk significantly. But here's the downside. PayPal fees, especially for currency conversion, can be higher than newer fintech apps. So it is great for safety, but not always the cheapest option. Next is Apple Pay. Apple Pay is widely used in Portugal, especially in cities like Lisbon and Porto. The biggest advantage is security. Every transaction requires Face ID or Touch ID. Your actual card number is never exposed. Now, imagine Miguel buying coffee in Lisbon. He just double-clicks his phone and pays in 1 second. No cards, no PIN codes. But here's the limitation. Apple Pay depends entirely on your linked bank. So rewards and fees depend on your bank, not Apple Pay itself. Next is Google Pay. Google Pay works similarly to Apple Pay, but for Android users. It is widely accepted in Portugal in supermarkets, transport systems, and cafes. The real value is speed. Tap-and-go payments make everyday spending effortless. But again, like Apple Pay, it does not offer its own cashback system. It is only as good as the card behind it. Now let's talk about multibanco apps. Multibanco is the backbone of Portuguese banking. Most local bank apps in Portugal connect directly to multibanco services, allowing bill payments, transfers, and ATM access. Now here's the interesting part. Even though it feels traditional, multibanco integration is still one of the most powerful systems in Europe. You can pay taxes, utilities, and even online services easily. For example, Ana in Porto pays her electricity bill directly through her banking app connected to multibanco in seconds. But the limitation is that it is not very international friendly. It is built for local banking, not global usage. Next is MBNet. MBNet is often linked with MBWay, but it is specifically used for virtual cards. Now here's why that matters. When shopping online, MBNet creates temporary card numbers. This means your real card details are never exposed. So if Alex is buying something from an unknown website, he can generate a one-time virtual card and avoid fraud risk completely. This makes it one of the safest tools for online payments in Portugal. Next is Revolut Business. This is important for freelancers and entrepreneurs. Revolut Business allows you to manage company expenses, send invoices, and handle multiple currencies in one place. Now here's where most people fail. They mix personal and business expenses in one wallet. This creates confusion during tax season. Revolut Business solves this by separating everything cleanly. Next is Curve. Curve is a smart layer wallet that connects all your bank cards into one. Now, here's the interesting part. With Curve, you can pay using one card, but later decide which bank account should actually be charged. This gives you flexibility that traditional wallets do not offer. For example, David in Lisbon uses Curve for all his spending. After a purchase, he can move it to a different card if needed. It is like rewinding your payments. Curve also offers cashback on selected merchants, which adds extra value. Finally, we have local Portuguese banking apps like Caixa Geral de Depósitos, Millennium BCP, and Novo Banco apps. These apps are extremely important because they are fully integrated with the Portuguese financial system. They support MBWay, Multibanco, and secure transfers. Now, here's the truth. Even though they do not look as flashy as Revolut or Wise, they are still the backbone of everyday payments in Portugal. So which wallet should you actually use? Here's the simple breakdown. If you live in Portugal long-term, MBWay plus your local bank app is essential. If you want international flexibility, Revolut and Wise are the strongest combination. If you are shopping online frequently, PayPal and MBNet add safety. If you are using Apple or Android devices, Apple Pay and Google Pay give you speed and convenience. And if you want advanced control, Curve ties everything together. But here is the most important insight. The best digital wallet is not a single app. It is a combination based on your lifestyle. Students in Lisbon often use MBWay plus Revolut. Freelancers combine Wise and Revolut Business. Everyday users rely on MBWay and Apple Pay. And the people who save the most money are not the ones who pick one app. They are the ones who use each tool for its specific strength. So before you decide, ask yourself one simple question. Are you focused on local payments, international transfers, online shopping, or business management? Because your answer changes everything. To wrap it up, digital wallets in Portugal in 2026 are more powerful than ever. They are faster, safer, and more rewarding than traditional cash and cards. But only if you understand how to use them correctly. Now you know exactly which wallets fit your needs, and how to avoid the common mistakes that silently cost people money every day. If this helped you, like the video, comment with the wallet you are currently using in Portugal, and subscribe for more deep practical guides like this.